Hi guys, I have you over here in After Effects and I wanted to show you how to fade in and out an object. And I already have a picture of space and a clear UFO that we'll be using. So what you want to do is just simply using the opacity. I guess we can animate it as it flies across the screen as well. So let's open up our UFO, transform. Okay, we'll be using position and we'll be using opacity. So I guess we could start from this angle, make it a little smaller where we can see. Alright, now we have our keyframes set and we'll walk it through. Just hit the play button. Just imagining in my mind how far I want it to fly. And drag this back some. And we'll move our UFO about up to here. And then we'll walk it through a little bit more. Okay, now we'll move it up to here and we'll drag down the opacity. Maybe to about 50%. 52%, that's good. Walk it through a little bit more. And now go on and drag it to 0. Walk it through a little bit more. Move it about up to here and we'll bring it back up to 50. Alright. Hit play again. Alright, and this time we'll move it up to here and bring it up to 100%. And then you can hit play one more time and simply drag it off the screen. Like so. And now let's roll it back and see what we got. Hit play. There it disappears and reappears and flies off the screen. Okay guys, that's excellent in doing ghost effects too. Maybe I'll do another ghost. I will do a ghost video later with this effect. I'll see what I can come up with. So any other kind of videos you like, leave them in the comment below and I'll try to get to those animations also. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you hadn't subscribed yet. Be sure to check out my other videos. Hit that like button and I'll see you on the next upload, guys.